Hi, my name is Joe Tavares. This is the introduction video for the Amazing Green Technology videos. Table contents. First video is this video is the introduction. Then will be the basic principles, which will have electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetism. And then we'll discuss the homopolar generator, and then we'll do the improvements to the homopolar generator, high voltage homopolar generator. And then on chapter 5 we will discuss the high voltage first design attempt, and on chapter 6 we discuss slot shielding. On chapter 7 we'll talk about slot shielding analysis, and then we'll do the final design for high voltage homopolar generator. And then number 9 is the electromagnetic thruster. Number 10 is no back EMF motor, and number 11 is conclusion. So introduction. If you can't simplify a complex theory and explain it to a 9-year-old, then you don't understand it yourself. Joe Tavares, 2020. Background and personal info. My name is Joe Tavares. I'm a professional electrical engineer with over 40 years of experience, mainly in avionics, electronics. Graduated from University of Toronto with a bachelor degree in electrical engineering. I am a member of the Professional Engineers Ontario Society. I am a senior citizen, currently retired and living in a small town outside of Toronto in the province of Ontario in Canada. Been working on alternative energy technology as a hobby for about 30 years. My interest is in what some people would call fringe technology, and I was a former member of the Tesla International Society back around 1991. Originally, my main aim was to come up with a technology that was static, i.e. had no moving parts. Being unsuccessful, then worked on the non-static technology presented in the videos here within the last 3 years. The technology are mainly based on the Faraday effect or the homopolar principle. So, Amazing Green Technology. On the left hand side are the logos. I will explain the meaning of the logo for each device at the conclusion of their section. So the first device is the green generator, which is a high voltage homopolar generator, HV-HPG. This device can only function as a generator, it cannot function as a motor. The next device is the green motor, no back EMF motor, and an NB-EMF-M. The device can only function as a motor, cannot function as a generator. And the third device is the green thruster. Electromagnetic thruster, EMT. Device provides a lift force against gravity or a linear force on any other linear direction. All AGT technologies are provided for free. There are no patents nor any pending. All the detailed designs are open source and will be provided and explained in detail in the videos. No secrets to make the device operable are withheld. The videos or any other information provided are free to be shared. The aim of the video is to simplify and present detailed information so that a junior high school kid can understand and be able to design their own green technology device. Only the necessary basic and simplified electromagnetic principles will be provided, and only to measure simple formulas will be provided. One formula is for the generator and the other formula is for the motor thruster. Cannot have Green New Deal without viable alternative replacement technology. AGT provides better performance, lower cost, super green technologies. Cannot force the industry through laws and regulations to stop the current energy technology without offering a better alternative solution. That is economic suicide. If the replacement technology are better, the market will naturally replace them, e.g. email versus post office mail. So no fossil fuels, very environmentally friendly, no electromagnetic radiation, very low power consumption, much lower cost than existing technology, super efficient. The generator you apply magnetic field, you apply a force, and you get a current, you get electrical energy. Converts mechanical energy directly into electrical energy. The thruster motor, you apply a magnetic field, you apply a current, you get force, you get mechanical energy. Motor is a circular force, a thruster is a straight force. Converts electrical energy directly into mechanical energy. SPEC's capability, no fossil fuels. The green generator is high voltage homopolar generator, HVHPG. The size is 400 millimeters diameter, 300 millimeters long, or 16 inches diameter, 12 inches long. The volume is 1.4 cubic foot. The weight is 320 kilograms. The output is electric energy, 30 kilowatts. The power input or consumption is 0.1 kilowatts. The green motor, no back EMF motor. The size is 300 millimeters diameter, 200 millimeters long, or 12 inches diameter, or 8 inches long. The volume is 0.53 cubic foot. The weight is 120 kilograms. The output is mechanical power equivalent to 20 kilowatts. The power input consumption is 0.05 kilowatts. The green thruster or electromagnetic thruster, EMT, the size is 440 millimeters diameter, 130 millimeters high, or 17.6 inches diameter, 5.2 inches high. The volume is 0.73 cubic feet. The weight is 120 kilograms. The output, it lifts 1000 kilogram against gravity. Equivalent output power is 48 kilowatts. Power input or consumption is 0.2 kilowatts. You could use a generator together with a conventional motor for mechanical energy output, or you could use a green motor together with a conventional generator for electrical energy output, but it's not as efficient or a lower cost approach as the direct approach that each green technology provides. For example, for a home, you may use only a green generator. For a vehicle, use a green motor for driving the vehicle and a green generator for the electrical system. For an airplane, you use all three technology: a green thruster to provide lift and thrust, a green generator for the electrical system, a green motor for moving on the ground or taxiing if required by then. What I'm presenting is nothing new, with the exception of enhancement to how the magnetic field in a moving object behaves. All I did was to find an arrangement such that when using the established principles of science, result in a free energy device. The known effect that lends to the possibility of a free energy device is the homopolar effect, but trying to build a homopolar generator is not practical. The output voltage is very low and results in high power losses. If a homopolar device with high output voltage can be built, the counter effect or the mode effect is eliminated and a free energy device is possible, and that is presented in the HVHPG section. But before explaining what the homopolar principle is and explaining why I use the homopolar, I need to explain some electric, magnetic, and electromagnetic principles first.